Sometimes on Facebook, you may have uploaded a cover photo, and in that, you may want to tag someone. Sometimes more than one person will be there, so you may want to tag multiple accounts on that cover photo. If you want, you can do that too. In this video, we'll be telling you how to tag more than one person on your Facebook cover photo. For this, open the Facebook application. After opening the Facebook application, above you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see your profile name. Click on this profile name. When you're clicking on that, here you can see your cover photo. Click on this cover photo, and here you can see cover photo. Click on see cover photo. When you're clicking on that, you can see your cover photo, and if you want to tag anyone, click somewhere, and here you can see a button like this. Click on this button, and now you can tag anyone. For example, if a person is there, you can tag them. For that, click on that person's face, and you can see the tagging option, and you can search for their profile. When you're searching for their profile, you can see that profile. It means, for example, for tutorial purpose, I'm tagging text only, and now one person is tagged. And if you want to tag one more person, click on their body or face, and when you're clicking on that, here you can see the option to tag that person also. And when you're searching, you can see that profile. Anyway, for example, I'm tagging text only, and now here you can see two persons are tagged. And if you want to add more persons, you can do that. Anyway, if you're going back, that will be saved. So this way, you can easily tag multiple persons on your Facebook cover photo. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.